Let's discuss the accounting treatment in case of bills of exchange. Here, very simple journal entries you have to record in the books of drawer and in the books of drawee. And if in some other party account you have to record the journal entries like in the books of endorser and endorsee, then you have also to record those entries. So first of all, very simple transaction is given when goods are sold on credit by drawer. In the books of drawer, the simple entry will be for the sales, that is drawee account debit to sales account. In the books of drawee, the entry will be purchase account debit to drawers account. Students, please understand that if name of the drawer and drawee is given, you must write the name of the drawer and drawee instead of writing simple drawer and drawee. So first entry will be there with reference to the goods sold, that is the sales entry in the books of drawer, and in the books of drawee the entry relating to the purchase of goods. Please don't forget to write the narration, because narration has the separate marks. But narration you may write as simple and as brief here. Like here it is written goods sold on credit or credit sales, or goods purchased or credit purchases. Then when bill is drawn and accepted by the drawee, when drawer draws the bill and it is accepted by the drawee, in the books of the drawer entry will be bills receivable account debit to drawee account. For him, bills receivable is a very simple current asset. For drawee, bills payable is a current liability. So for drawer, bills receivable is an asset. So he will debit the account bills receivable account debit to drawee account, and in the books of the drawee, bills payable is a liability. So he will show in the credit side, entry will be drawee account debit to drawer account debit to bills payable. Here it is wrongly mentioned drawee account debit. Here drawer's account debit to bills payable. Now when the bills becomes mature or on the due date when the payment of the bill has been received, what journal entry to be recorded? Please understand here in the second entry. Here case 1, when the bill was retained by the drawer till to the due date. What it means, understand that there are different cases of the uses of the bill. So first case is there when the bill was retained by the drawer till the maturity. It means neither the bill is discounted from the bank, nor it is endorsed to the third party, nor it is sent to the bank for collection. In this case, the drawer keeps with himself the bill till to the date of maturity, and on due date, when payment is received by him, in his book entry will be cash or bank account debit to BR account. That means if the payment is received in cash, he will debit the cash account, and if the payment is received through pay order or through the bank draft or through the check, he will debit the bank account and return the bills receivable to the drawee. Entry will be cash or bank account debit to bills receivable account. And in the books of drawee, as he will get back his bills payable, he will debit the bills payable account and credit the cash or bank account, as the case may be, because cash or the bank balance is reducing or outflowing from his. So this is in case first when the bill was retained by the drawer till to the due date. Let's discuss to the other cases. Second case is when the bill was discounted from the bank by owner before maturity. What is called discounting of the bill from the bank. As I also told you, discounting of a bill from the bank means that before the due date of the bill or maturity date, the drawer takes this bill to the bank. Bank, after deducting certain amount of bank charges or discount charges, remaining amount credits in the account of the drawer. So drawer gets the payment beforehand, and on the maturity date, drawer instructs to the drawee to make the payment not to him, other to the bank. For drawer, the discount which is deducted by the bank is a loss, so he will debit in this account. So entry in the books of the drawer will be bank account debit with the amount which the bank gives, discount account with the discount charge is taken by the bank, and discount account is a nominal account, so it will be debited to bills receivable. That bill goes from him to the bank. There will be no entry in the books of the drawee because drawer is no way concerned with the uses of the bill by the drawer. Drawer may take this bill till to the due date with him, or he may discount, he may endorse to the third party, he may send the bill to the bank for collection. Drawer is no way concerned for that. Drawer duty is only that on the due date of the bill, he has to make the payment of the bill. So, on the due date, what the entry will be recorded in the books of drawer, that is the common entry, bills payable account debit to cash or bank account. Now, this entry is for the payment of the bill on the maturity. There will not be any entry in the books of the drawer because now the bill is not in the hands of the drawer. Bill is with whom? Bill is with the bank. So entry for the receipt of the payment of the bill will be made by the bank because the bill is already been discounted by the drawer from the bank. Now third case is there when the bill was endorsed in favor of creditor by drawer. Now here please understand, again I told you, endorsement means transfer of a bill in favor of a third party. Now the bill goes to the third party. It is the discretion of the drawer. It is the sweet will of the drawer that whatever he may do for that bill. Now at the time of endorsing of the bill, endorsee's account debit to BR account. For example, A is drawer, B is drawer, and C is endorsee. Now here A will record in his book the entry C's account debit because endorsee is C. C's account debit to bills receivable. Bill receivable will go from him with whom? Now to the endorsee, and endorsee account will be debited. There will not be any entry in the books of drawer, as earlier told you that drawer is no way concerned with the uses of the bill made by the drawer. His duty is only that at the time of maturity of the bill, he will make the payment and the same entry will be recorded. You will see here bills payable account debit to cash or bank account, and there will not be any entry in the books of drawer. Why? Because this entry will be recorded in the books of the endorsee. Now the bills of exchange is with whom? With the endorsee. Bills of exchange is not with the drawer. Drawer has already transferred to this. So neither the drawer will receive the payment nor he will record the entry. So the entry will be in the books of the endorsee. Now we will discuss the other important transaction entry. That is, in this case, one additional book may be asked to maintain, that is endorsee book, but you are not required to maintain that. Let's discuss the other important case, that is the 4 case when the bill is sent to bank for collection. Collection here means that drawer requests to his banker that on maturity date, please collect the payment of this bill from the drawer. Bank for collection here means that drawer requests to the bank before the maturity date sends this bill to the bank with a request that on due date please collect the payment of this bill from the bank. And it is the duty of the bank because bank will also provide this very important service against certain fees or the payments. Now when the bill is sent to the bank for collection by the drawer will do what? Drawer will maintain a register for bills for collection and he will make an entry in this register. There will be entry in the books of the drawer, bill sent for collection account debit to BR account. He will make entry in this account and he will debit this account. Entry will be bill sent for collection account debit to BR account. Again, there will not be any entry in the books of drawer. Likewise, on due date when drawer makes the payment of bills of exchange, he will debit the account BP account debit to cash or bank. Now entry will be in the bank. In the books of the drawer, bank account debit to bills for collection account. As the payment of the bill has been received, you will see in the previous entry in this case, bill sent for collection account was debit. Now in the second entry, bill sent for collection account is credit. So it will be nullified to each other. So net entry left out, bank account debit to bills receivable, that is the payment of the bill has been received and BR account being credited. So this is the last case, that is the 4 case. So Once again, we will summarize to all 4 cases. First case was there, that is the drawer receives or drawer keeps the bill till to the due date with itself. When the bill was retained by the drawer till to the maturity, he will not transfer that bill to the any other third party or not discount, not to send bank for collection. Second case was there, that is discounting of the bill from the bank, that is the bill is discounted from the bank by the drawer before the due date or maturity date. Third case was there, when the bill was endorsed in favor of creditor by drawer to the third party. And last case was there, when the bill sent to bank for collection, that is bank being requested to collect the payment of this bill on behalf of the drawer from the drawee. Dear students, these 4 cases are very, very important. I request you to please first practice the illustration that is given in your book from illustration 1 to 8, and then go through to the exercise relating to this important topic. I will continue in our next class relating to this same topic, that is bills of exchange. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.